Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Thank you everybody for subscribing below and supporting the channel. Thank you very much to all my subscribers and everybody who's going to subscribe in the future. Anyway, let's just make a simple program here using a function to create a directory. And it'll check if the path exists as well before we create it. Import time. So I'm going to import OS and import time. So here I'm going to create the function called make directory. Okay. I'm going to create a path for that directory. So I want to create that directory on the desktop. So on my system, this is the path. On your system, it's going to be slightly different. So you'll have to find that one out. Okay, remember this path is only for my system. It won't work on yours. So you'll have to find out the exact path for your desktop when you're doing this. Okay, so this is desktop here. Okay, that's the path I want. Then I'm going to do os.chdr change directory, and we're going to change directory to that path. Now what we'll do is we'll just do a little test on this and make sure it absolutely works. So print path, so we shall see if we're in the right path or not. This will just tell us. There we've got make directory. We have to call it, of course, before we can do anything. Okay, let's just save that. Make sure it actually changes to that particular path that we specified there. And there you go. It's changed to that path, so we know that piece of code there is working. Okay. So I'm going to say di1. This is my variable, which is going to be equal to input. So we're going to grab some user inputs off there, and it'll say make directory. Okay. Right, so we're going to use a conditional to check if this path already exists. os.path.exists. So this directory we're going to create, we're going to check if it already exists. Okay, so if os.path.exists, then we're going to tell the user that this already exists. Okay, so it's going to be directory already exists. Okay. And then we're going to do make directory, which is going to take us back to the top, and it's going to give us the opportunity to create another directory that doesn't exist. Okay. Now we're going to do the else statement here. If it doesn't exist, we're going to create the directory. So it's done by MKDIR, and then dir1, which is coming from the input. That's the name of the directory that we want to make. And then we'll print out a message to the user telling the user that that directory has been created. Okay. Right, so let's just save that. Let's just run it. Okay, so make directory. So let's give it a name, something that'll stand out, XXXX, like that. Hit enter. Directory created. Let's have a look on the desktop to see if it actually did create that directory. And there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Right, let's run it again. So I think that was the three X's I did there. So let's just do 1, 2, 3. It was 4 X's. Let's just grab that out of the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Directory already exists, so it gives us the option to create another one. PPP. Directory created. Let's go and check that out. And there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie yet again. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and remember to give it a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button below, drop me a comment, and I'll catch you lot in another video. Bye-bye.